Don't try it. Just leave it that much down. You can.
Okay.
Don't go too far.
Get the worms?
Now, when the boat stops, when it stops before you start pushing on the water.
Oh, coming up.
That's
You know,
good.
those gardening gloves? Yeah. Because when you go to reach for them, they go like this.
So how'd you catch it?
Just cast it.
What'd you use for bait?
Worms.
What kind of worms?
Night crawlers, I think. Yeah, night crawlers.
Did you have any help?
Yeah.
Who else helped?
My grandpa.
But you've seen those little rippled shells that are like yellow.
What else you guys gonna say?
I rode the boat.
All right. Who was rowing the boat?
I was. I just said that.
Who pushed it out?
Who rowed the boat?
I did. No, Jennifer rode it.
Jennifer? You can't
I
row-
caught the fish.
All right.
You have a rod, no? Catch it. Catch one. No.
Yeah.
No, it's mine. Drop a letter hold it.
One take them off now?
Yeah. The poor thing.
Hold them. Hold them.
Sure, I know how to do it. I know how to do it.
Or even oysters raw.
Let me take it out. It ain't gonna hurt you. You don't think.
Don't blame the poor thing.
Raw oysters, that's disgusting. You know what
And then you pull it out, right?
Clams. Oh my God.
The clams are about the same thing.
I know. Supposedly, it's funny. I get used to it. I think
Oh, he
oysters are
bled.
great raw oysters.
Did you?
Really raw.
No, that's not him.
And she was really turned off. I've seen clams and fried clams, but I never tried a raw clam. I just couldn't.
Well,
Why does the clams, the oysters, make
Does it look like it hurts?
Raw clams.
yeah, it sure hurts him.
When close Elizabeth? Watch.
Just hold that little bit.
Pull it?
Yeah, just a little bit. Poor thing.
You're gonna eat a one oyster, you're not gonna eat a clam, and vice versa.
Oh, that's smart.
I want it killed. I can't do it.
What are we gonna do with it?
No, this poor fish.
Oh, it's gonna.
Well, I'm glad I'm not hanging on a hook or somebody going.
Ew.
That's why I never go swimming.
Mary's taking a picture of this.
That's right, Mother. Oh, right down the kid's mouth. Okay, let's swing. I jumped up in the water.
You let them swallow the hook all right. And then you put that right in and get it and twist it and pull it out.
Like an even the tiny
Pull it out.
swimming or anything else. I'm like anything.
You have a spider hanging from it. Film that.
Hey,
So we're gonna do with the fish.
give 'em
Takes a
a
knife and go pew.
Well, a cat will be happy. Where's the cat? What's your name?
Elizabeth,
Where are you from?
Sacramento, California.
How long have you been here?
5 weeks.
5 weeks. How old are you?
9.
All right.
All right, here.